This is the ZFG Edition Mini Cooper S 2003. I just accidentally acquired this car and I thought I'd shoot a video on it. I'm in the midst of trying to clean it. I did just wash it. I got this car for $200. $200. Yep. Basically what happened was I was selling one car and the fellow that came to buy that car had this, and it was on the way to the junkyard. He was going to get $350 for it. And I offered him $200, and it's my car now. It has lots of problems. CEL, by the way, I know nothing about Mini Coopers, but it has a check engine light. It has an airbag light. It is leaking horribly. Several of the gaskets are gone. This one isn't even attached. It's just hanging there. So the entire inside is smelly. It looked like it hadn't been washed in years. The wheels were completely full of rust and grime. I took a long time with some steel wool cleaning those up. All the trim you can see here is just bad. The interior's shot. It smells real bad. I don't know how the seats look yet. We'll find out. They may not be that bad. They have these covers on them. It is a 6-speed S. Window doesn't work. A bunch of stuff doesn't work. It only has 76,000 miles though, and it actually drives well. I took it for a 2-minute test drive. So yeah, someone was dumping a car and I grabbed it. I'm gonna clean it up and I'll do an after video. I just thought I'd capture it real quick. It's got a lot of rust. This is here. I'm trying to pull this dent. Now you can see the headlights. That's before, that's after, so it's a little better. I'm about to do this one here. But anyhow, that's my new car, $200. We'll see what I can accomplish with this thing. So, all right, well, next video will be an update once it's cleaned and detailed as best as I can do. Mini Cooper S 2003, $200.